is biology? What is biology?
Knowing the basic definition of biology will help you comprehend the meaning of biology and its branches easily. Biology is a branch of science where we study living organisms, their origins, physiology, anatomy, morphology, behavior, and distribution. The word biology comes from the Greek words bios and logos, which means life and study respectively. Biology is a branch of science where we study living organisms, their origins, physiology, anatomy, morphology, behavior, and distribution. The word biology comes from the Greek words bios and logos, which means life and study respectively. Branches of biology. The scope of biology is extensive and is divided into several disciplines. Here is a list of all the branches of biology frequently asked in SSC, UPSC, state services, railways, and banking exams. Go through the entire list and also try to remember them in order to be able to answer questions related to biology and its branches in your upcoming exams. Here is a list of all the branches of agrology, production, agrostology. Go through the entire list and also try to remember them in order to be able to answer questions. Agrostology, study of the grasses. Agrology, production of the crop. Agronomy, soil management and production of the crop. Allometry, study of the relationship of body size to shape, anatomy, physiology, and finally behavior. Anthology, study of flowers. Anatomy, study of the internal structure of an organism as revealed by dissection. Archaeology, study of the biology of ancient times through archaeological materials. Anthropology, the science of man including his physical, mental constitution, cultural development, and social conditions of present and past. Agriology, study of customs of primitive man. Arthrology, study of joints. Aerobiology, study of flying organisms in relation to other flying objects. Biocybernetics, application of cybernetics to biological sciences. Bacteriology, study of bacteria. Biophysics, study of physical aspects of living systems. Biochemistry, study of chemicals constituting the body and chemical reactions. Biotechnology, utilization of living organisms in industrial processes. Biogeography, study of the geographic distributions of living organisms. Cell biology, study of structure, functions, reproduction, and life cycle of cells. Chronobiology, study of time-dependent phenomena in living organisms. Craniology, study of skulls. Cryobiology, study of the effects of low temperatures on living organisms. Cytology, study of the detailed structure of cells. Cardiology, study of heart and its functioning. Dendrology, study of shrubs and trees. Ecology, study of relationships between organisms and environment. Idonomy, study of the external appearance of an organism. Endocrinology, study of endocrine glands and their hormones. Ethology, study of behavior of animals. Ethnobiology, study of the way plants and animals are treated or used by different human cultures. Evolution, study of origin of life, variation and formation of new species. Etiology, study of the causative agent of disease. Entomology, study of insects. Eugenics, study of science dealing with factors which improve successive generations of the human race. Euthenics, science deals with the improvement of the future of humanity by changing the environment. Euphenics, treatment of defective in heredity through genetic engineering. Enzymology, study of enzymes. Embryology, study of development of embryo and its growth and repair. Exobiology, study of the possibility of life in space. Aesthesiology, scientific study of sensation. Floriculture, cultivation of flower-yielding plants. Forensic biology, application of biology to law enforcement. Fermentation, process of incomplete oxidation that occurs in microbes and other cells in absence of oxygen, leading to the formation of ethyl alcohol. Forestry, development and management of forest. Food technology, scientific processing, preservation, storage and transportation of food. Fishery catching, breeding,
rearing and marketing of fishes.
forensic science, application of science for identification of various facts of civilians. Genetics, study of heredity and variations.
Growth,
Permanent increase in weight,
volume and size of an organism.
genetic engineering, manipulation of genes in order to improve the organism. Gerontology, study of the social, psychological, cognitive and biological aspects of aging. Gynecology, study of the female reproductive organ. Gastroenterology, study of alimentary canal or stomach, intestine and their disease. Hematology, study of blood and disease caused by it. Hepatology, study of liver. Hygiene, science taking care of health. Helminthology, study of parasitic worms.
Hydroponics, study of growing plant without soil
in water which contain nutrient.
Hypertonic,
Into solutions which have lower solute concentration is called hypertonic.
herpetology, study of reptiles. Hydrobiology,
Science of life and life processes in water. Immunology, study of
natural or acquired resistance to specific diseases.
ichthyology, study of fish and its culture. Karyology, study of the nucleus. Catology, study of human beauty. Kinesiology, study of muscle movements. Coniology, study of dust in relation to its effects on health. Mastology, study of breasts. Morphology, study of form and structure. Myology, study of muscles. Mycology, study of fungi.
Microbiology,
Study of microorganisms like bacteria and viruses.
molecular biology,
Study of chemicals living at the molecular level.
mammalogy,
Study of mammals. Mammography, branch of science which deals with breast cancer. Mechanobiology, study of interface of biology and engineering. Neonatology, study of newborn up to the age of 2 months. Nephrology, study of kidneys. Neurology, study of neurons and nerve rings. Nosology,
classification of diseases.
osteology, study of skeletal system. Odontology, study of teeth.
Organology,
Study of different organs. Obstetrics, science related with the care of pregnant women before,
during and after childbirth.
Ontogeny, study of various life cycles. Ornithology, study of birds.
Ophthalmology,
Study of eyes. Ophiology, study of snakes.
olericulture,
Study of cultivation of vegetables.
orthopedic, diagnosis and repair of disorder of the locomotor system.
Oncology, study of tumors.
Physiology,
Study of process
and function associated with life.
pathology, study of
Diseases.
phylogeny, study of evolutionary relationship
Among different groups of organisms.
paleontology, study of fossils.
Physiotherapy,
Treatment of body defects through massage and exercise. Psychiatry, treatment of mental disease. Pisciculture,
rearing of fishes.
pedology, study of different types of soils. Phenomics, study of the physical and biochemical traits of organisms. Pediatrics, branch of medicine dealing with children. Pomology, study of fruits. Phycology, study of algae. Psychobiology, study of behavioral
Aspects of animals.
phytogeography, study of plant distribution on the earth.
Pharmacology,
Scientific
study of drugs.
photobiology, study of
Interaction of light and living organisms.
psychology, study of human mind and behavior.
Paleobotany,
Study of distribution and characteristics of fossils.
radiology,
Study of effects of radiation on the living being. Rhinology, study of nose and olfactory organs. Sarcology, study of muscles. Scotobiology, study of biological effects of darkness. Sonography, study of ultrasound imaging. Sociobiology, study of the biological bases of sociology. Syndesmology, study of bone joints and ligaments. Sorology, study of lizards. Serology, study of blood serum. Sphygmology, study of pulse and arterial pressure. Silviculture, study of cultivation of timber yielding plants. Sericulture,
study of the production of silk and the rearing of silkworms for this purpose.
Splanchnology, study of internal organs. Tectology, study of structural organization of the body. Trophology, study of nutrition science. Traumatology, study of wounds. Trichology, study of hairs. Toxicology, study of poisons and method of treatment. Taxonomy, study of classification, nomenclature and identification of the organism. Teratology, study of abnormalities during embryogenesis. Therapeutics, treatment of disease. Telepathy, communication of thoughts or ideas from one mind to another without normal use of senses. Urology, study of urine and its diseases. Virology, study of viruses. Venereology, study and treatment of venereal diseases. Veterinary science, science of healthcare and treatment of domestic animals. Xylotomy, study of anatomy of wood xylem. Zoology, study of animals. Zoogeny, origin and development of animals. Zoogeography, it is the study of the distribution of animals in different geographic regions. Zymology, study of the fermentation process. Zootechny, science of breeding and domesticating animals. Zoonosology, it is the study of handicapped animals. Zoopathology, study of diseases of animals. 1. What are the three main branches of biology? Three main branches of biology are botany, zoology, microbiology. Q.2 Which branch of science is about human body? Biology is the branch of science for the human body. Q.3 What do you understand by the term zoology? The branch of science that deals with the study of animals are called zoology. Q.4 Who is the inventor of biology? Thomas Beddoes invented biology in 1799. Q.5 Who is called the father of botany? Theophrastus is known as the father of botany.